This is
That's the application. Okay.
and this is hardware when you combine both wire Bluetooth.
Uh-huh.
And here it's combined. It will show the battery and the memory. And
Oh.
yeah, you can see here. Double click this button, and here shows out. It start recording. We can speak any language what we want.
Okay.
Like we starting with English, and here we'll generate a recording document
Uh-huh.
and generate now. It will automatically recognize what language I speak, and then can translate to others.
Oh, okay.
It's by Wi-Fi, so it depends on Wi-Fi speed.
Oh, okay. So it's Wi-Fi between the Bluetooth or
No,
Wi-Fi.
just the Wi-Fi translate to the languages.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is what we record, and if you want to change another language, you can choose here. Maybe
Español.
is that one?
Yeah.
For this in the meeting in the conference room.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and here is a summary.
It's real time.
So like you have a speech, you have a meeting recording, they will have for you the summary.
Oh, so
For you.
yeah. So I will do a meeting notes and everything.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And can be mapping.
Oh, huh.
Yeah. And can share to can share to output, and here you can start to voice input, and then we'll translate here. But maybe the internet is not very good.
Oh, it's just.
If it is good, but it will show out the text here,
Uh-huh.
and here where language is translated.
Translated. So
Yeah.
kind of like a live translation.
Yes.
Translation.
Yeah. And here have another functions. If you have a voice or video calls with another person, you can set in the languages between two.
Oh, huh.
And then we'll generate a link, and you share the link to the other person,
Uh-huh.
and both can get into one meeting, and we can show out the texts on each phone. It
Yeah.
shows the own languages.
Oh, really? Oh. So it's easy to share. And I noticed that there's also like record from phone calls, conversations as well too.
Yeah.
How does that work when does it
But the Wi-Fi is not very good here, so
Yeah.
I cannot demo it.
demo that one? Yeah.
So another function here. If the Wi-Fi is good, then I speak here. The text also will in time to show out.
As you're speaking.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I'm
See.
speaking.
See if it
But
would
it didn't show out.
No. Let's get this Wi-Fi working.
Yeah.
No.
So here is the language I speaking, and here will be the translated language.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, there it goes. It's almost catching if the Wi-Fi is good.
Not good.
Not good.
Yeah.
No. Caught part of it.
So like this.
Pause it.
Okay. Here is the setting information.
Oh, huh?
Yeah, that's the application.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when you have making phone call, you can push the button up, and it also can record it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, simultaneously. And there will be a new document here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Automatically.
Yeah.
Yeah. For how long is the battery last on this?
It can be recording 40 hours.
40 hours?
Simultaneously,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
In between charges. And
And it has Type-C port for charge.
oh, so it's a Type-C, right?
Yes.
So you can use any cable
Yes.
to charge it and on the
Yes.
go. Nothing special.
Yes.
And, and what that AI that is using? What do you know? Which one is using?
ChatGPT.
Is it
Chat-
five?
Chat-
GPT
Yeah.
5.0,
Yeah.
the newest one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, and what's the price ranges for this?
For factory FOB price will be 40 and above.
Oh, yeah,
But the retailer price will be 200 or above.
200 above. Yeah. Oh, okay. And these are like on Amazon or something, or
No,
No.
it's not available yet.
Oh, not available
It's
yet?
our new product here.
oh, okay. So this is brand new then today.
Yeah, yes.
Announcing here at CES.
Yes.
Oh, wow. These are pretty nice. I like the way it keeps everything. And there's no subscription or anything that you have to buy, purchase.
Yeah.
It just translates to the
Yes.
straight into your computer or
Yes.
phone. Or,
It has ChatGPT annual cost.
oh, does it?
Yeah.
Just that Japanese?
Yeah.
Japanese cost, whatever you have to pay for that.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You integrate it with your account then? Is that how it works? Or is it kind of through the software, through the app?
Yeah, it's kind of like this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. That's very nice. And when will these be available? You said,
It depends on our customers' play order.
oh, yeah. Depending on
Yeah.
how soon they want it. Yeah.
Maybe half year or 1 year.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much for the demonstration. And are these also kind of the same thing, or is that something different?
Different. They are AI camera for kids.
Oh, for kids.
Yeah. When you're taking photo for the unknown object, then the camera will show out what it is,
Oh, uh-huh.
and so just like learning.
Oh, so if they see like they say a tree or something, they want to know what type of tree. They take a picture of the tree,
Yes.
and it tells you
Yeah.
this is an oak tree or.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Very nice. And is this something new also as well, or
Yes. Also as well new.
brand new? So it looks like it uses a micro SD card on these
Yeah.
to store.
Yeah.
So everything is just done in here.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And does that also have to connect to Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. You can see here Wi-Fi,
Oh, okay.
but also not good.
Not good. Yeah. Yeah. And what is the price range for like retail?
About 120
120. Oh, okay.
might be. It depends on customer.
The customer again. Yeah. All right. All right. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.